Hello, welcome to the Robotics for Kids tutorial. My name is Emerike Adaeze. I'm a STEM education facilitator and I'll be your guide through this video. In today's astronomy class, we'll be talking about the solar system. What exactly do we refer to as the solar system? It is a very small part of the entire universe. It is made up of the sun and all the objects that travel around it. These objects include the planets, the asteroids, comets, the moons and dwarf planets, and even so much more. The Sun, which is the center of the solar system, is the largest and most prominent member of the solar system. It makes up 99.8% of the mass of the solar system. After the Sun, the planets are considered to be the second largest bodies in the solar system. There are 8 planets and they are classified into 2 types, the rocky planets and the giant planets. The rocky planets, also known as the terrestrial planets, are the 4 closest planets to the Sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are called rocky because they are mainly formed by silicates. They almost have the same structure. They contain craters, mountains, and volcanoes. While the giant planets are the 4 furthest planets from the Sun. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are larger in size than the rocky planets, hence the term giants, but they are further divided into 2. There are the gas giants and the ice giants. The gas giants are Jupiter and Saturn. 90% of these 2 planets are made up of hydrogen and helium. They are sometimes also known as the failed stars because they contain the basic elements as a star. On the other hand, we have the ice giants. They are Uranus and Neptune. They consist of elements heavier than hydrogen and helium, such as oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur. Now that we know what the solar system is and what it consists of, let us take a look at some fun facts about the solar system. At number 1, we have Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is just about as wide as the Atlantic Ocean. There is no water in Mercury, and it is known to be the fastest planet in our solar system. At number 2, we have Venus, also known as the evening star. Venus was named after the Roman goddess of beauty. It is covered by yellow dust made of sulfur and sulfuric acid. This causes light to reflect off its surface, and it makes Venus the second brightest object in the sky at night after the moon. Mars is at number 3. It is one planet strongly considered to be a future home for humans. It is very cold in Mars, and it contains many volcanoes and deep valleys. The largest peak is a volcano called Olympus Mons. Mons means mountain. Olympus is 3 times higher than Mount Everest, which is the highest mountain on Earth. At number 4, let us try to understand how our solar system fits into the universe. The solar system actually is a small part of a huge system of stars and several other objects called the Milky Way galaxy. While this Milky Way galaxy is just one of the billions of galaxies that make up the entire universe. Let's take a look at the next slide. This is what the Milky Way galaxy looks like, and it is estimated to contain 100 to 400 billion stars and more than 100 billion planets. So you see, the solar system is actually a very small part of the Milky Way galaxy, and the Milky Way galaxy is just one out of several other billion galaxies in the universe. That technically makes us a very tiny part of something so enormously big that we can't even imagine. We will stop here today. Give the size of the solar system in comparison to the universe a thought. Solve the crossword puzzle and let's get your feedback. Stay tuned.